Have you heard about Shiba Inu token? If you have not, let us introduce you to this interesting token. We are going to dig into the questions like what is Shiba Inu token, why it has been growing so fast, and lastly, what will it take to reach the price of 1 penny. First off, it is important to know the difference between coin and a token. In addition, you need to know the basics like what is blockchain. There are many different blockchains out there. Ethereum has its blockchain. Even Dogecoin has its own blockchain. Each blockchain has its own coin, like Ethereum coin, etc. On some of the blockchains, you can create tokens. They do not help run the blockchain, but they utilize the power, security, and upkeep of the main blockchain, so they do not have to focus on their own. They act as coins, but they are not the same. Shiba Inu is a token on the Ethereum network. This token runs on Ethereum. Compared to Dogecoin, Shiba Inu token is called the Dogecoin killer. As you probably heard, Dogecoin was created as a joke on Bitcoin to show that crypto is simple. Over the years, Dogecoin noticed its popularity, but there is something that creates a difference between Dogecoin and Ethereum. Since Dogecoin is a copy of Bitcoin, it does not have the cool upgrades, such as smart contracts. Smart contracts allow users to create tokens and to create apps for exchanging tokens. This, however, is not possible with Bitcoin and Dogecoin. In that sense, Shiba Inu token allows smart contracts that can be used for lending tokens and trading. Shiba Inu token started in August 2020 by a user under the name Ryoshi. An anonymous friend helped Ryoshi create a smart contract and invested 10 in Ethereum and SHIB on pair Uniswap. This meant that people could give some Uniswap Ethereum and actually buy SHIB token. Moving on to March 2021, when Elon Musk tweeted that he was getting a Shiba Inu dog. And that tweet alone caused an increase of 300% for Shiba Inu token. Shiba Inu developers proceeded to give half of every Shiba token to Vitalik Buterin. This created an illusion that Vitalik bought these tokens and believed in them, but in reality, anyone can send him any token if they have his wallet. Vitalik took some of the Shiba tokens and sold them and gave the money to charity. The rest of the tokens, almost 90%, he burned. Burning a token means sending it to an unknown wallet that no one has access to, so they are gone forever. He burned around $6.7 billion worth of Shiba Inu tokens. SHIB token offers rewards to its holders for providing liquidity. Providing liquidity is called digging. Every time you use tokens, Uniswap has to give you something in return to show that you have ownership, so they provide you with liquidity pool tokens. Shiba Swap rewards users who take their liquidity pool tokens and lock them up. This way, we know that the liquidity will be there for a while. Technically, you can withdraw your tokens anytime, so we are not sure why they don't reward all liquidity providers. However, when you stake or lock up your liquidity provider tokens, they call this burying. When you bury the tokens, you start to earn bones. Bones are Ethereum tokens. That is a governance token for Shiba Swap. This means if you hold 1 bone, you get 1 vote on changes that happen to the project. Most people earn them and sell them immediately, but some people keep them and bury the bones. But that is a subject for another video. Now let's answer the question, what will happen if SHIB goes to a price of 1 cent or $1? Market cap is a term used to compare cryptocurrency assets and in general used to describe the average price of each coin. You get this number by multiplying the current price of the asset by how many circulating assets there are. Right now, the Shiba Inu token is worth around $0.00005 and the market cap is 21 billion. This means if the price goes to 1 penny, the total market cap would be 4 trillion, which is over the total worth of all cryptocurrency. And if it goes to $1, market cap would be 400 trillion, which is way more than every house in the US put together. So you can imagine if this is a certain possibility or not. When the all-time highs happen, everyone is in profit. This means that if Shiba token grows in value, everyone will make profit. But what most people do not is buy just to earn profit, and not a lot of movement in the market happens, which leads to a crash. Currently, our predictions tell us that Shiba token will have a hard time hitting $1 worth, because that would mean that it's worth more than Tesla, which is now worth more than $1 trillion. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned more about the Shiba Inu token. Make sure to check out other videos on our channel to find more useful information on the subject, such as economics and crypto. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.